Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Fried Kitchen. Today we're working on a copycat recipe for Texas Roadhouse Butter. For this recipe, you'll need butter, powdered sugar, honey, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and kosher salt. Begin by stirring up your softened butter. Make sure it's softened to room temperature and not melted. Then, simply stir in all the remaining ingredients, refrigerate, and spread the butter on rolls, biscuits, or toast. Don't forget, you can always check the description for ingredients, step-by-step instructions, and the full recipe link. If you love comfort food recipes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to be notified of future recipes just like this one. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments how your Texas Roadhouse butter turned out, and as usual, happy cooking.